Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here, the last toggle. So once you find yours, simply hold it the first time around. This isn't actually required, but it will give you some idea of what the default settings of it are. So in here, as you will see, you have exceptions for people's apps, alarms, and notifications, just restricting notifications, durations, and so on. So you can customize this to your liking right here. Probably the most important part will be the people's, because this will allow you to select who can message you and who can call you during the Do Not Disturb mode, which might be very helpful to some people. But once you went through the settings and customized them to your liking, or just maybe left it as it is, depending on how you wanted it, you can close this, and whenever you want to turn it on, simply tap on a toggle now, and that's it. You don't actually have to go back into the settings once you have gone through them once, assuming you don't want to change anything. And once you're done with it, you can tap on a toggle again to turn it off. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.